friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am so excited to be sharing with you my TEMU spring decor haul. I found some beautiful and affordable items that are absolutely perfect for refreshing your home for the spring season. I cannot wait to share all of it with you. If you're not familiar with TEMU, TEMU is an online shopping platform where they carry tons of different stuff from clothing, home decor, home organization, toys, and so much more. If you're a new user to TEMU, you are guaranteed to claim up to $100 in coupons. But that's not all. I have an exclusive discount just for you. If you are a new user to the TEMU app, you're guaranteed to claim a total of $100 in bundle coupons. Plus, new users can score up to 90% off on some of the amazing decor pieces I'm showcasing here today. So how do you participate? You need to download the TEMU app, and then you need to enter the code, which will be linked down below as well as at the bottom of this video. I absolutely love TEMU for the incredible variety, unbeatable prices, and stylish finds. So I am beyond thrilled to be working with them again on this collaboration. So let's jump right in and check out all the spring and home decor that I have found. As you guys know, wicker, rattan, it's quite popular right now, and they have such a huge selection. And here are just a few items that I had picked up. I've gotten this little box here, and it has a little button here for opening. And I think this would be such a great decor piece on your coffee table, side table, or even on your shelf. I think it's gonna look good with, you can add your remotes in here or whatever that it is that you want to conceal in here, little trinkets or just a little storage box for things. I do not think it's big enough for your mail, but everything else will fit in perfectly. You could even put some Kleenex in here and just open it up to get some Kleenexes out. Next up, I picked up these two baskets. I think these are so pretty. I've been wanting one of these for a while, and now I have two. And I know exactly where I'm going to be using them. The one I'm already using, going to be using in my mudroom, and I'm gonna add my poop bags for dog pooper scoopering bags, and then the other one's gonna go in a little moment that I'm gonna be creating in my kitchen, and I can't wait to share that with you. I also picked up this beautiful rattan bowl. I absolutely love the way this looks. I think it's gonna look great with fruit. You can even add little bowl fillers or even a little plant in here and use it as a tray as well. I picked up this little flower, I call it a flower basket. I think this is gonna be such a nice addition for Easter decor, even spring decor, with a little bit of some small baby's breaths in here on a shelf, or you could even add some Easter eggs in here for your Easter decor, and pumpkins for at pumpkin time. I just think it's such a great piece. It has a little edge here that's kind of lowered, as you can see, and I just think it's such a pretty basket, kind of giving you that French country vibe. I also picked up a vase as well. I've seen so many people on YouTube and Instagram share wicker or rattan vases, and I have not been able to find one in where I live. I live in Ontario, Canada, and it's really hard to find some of the decors that you see on people share online. So I'm very happy that I could find an affordable option for all my decorating needs. And I think this is going to be so pretty with, just wait till you see all the florals I got. I have been wanting these for a while, and I found one that are even more affordable than the ones I found at Dollarama, and they are, I really like these, the way they look. So I thought this was such a great deal. And as always, I will have all of the products that I got linked down below. So if you want to purchase any of it, you can. This came in a set of 6. And I can't wait to share with you my tablescape ideas and how I'm going to be styling my home, my dining room, and even my big island with these. And they are functional. Also for tables, table setting ideas, I had picked up these napkin rings. All I need to get now is just some napkins to go along with it. I already have the plates. I also got this lamp, rattan lamp. I already assembled it. I do have a separate video that I recorded assembling it because I did couldn't figure it out. So once I figured it out, I recorded the video because I thought somebody else might need some assistance. So if you end up buying something like this, check the video out because it will be helpful. And I'm planning on using this in my dining room because if you've been following along, you've seen I've added quite a bit of lamps throughout my home, and my dining room doesn't have one. And there's not really a lot of space for a big one, for a big lamp. So I thought this would be so cute either on my hutch or on my little tea cart that I have. It would look great in the kitchen as well if you need lighting or just to add a little bit of softness to your decor. Um, they have many styles. They have ones with completely rattan top. And I just thought this one would look good in my space. And they are, it's a USB, so you will just need an end for it, and then you can dim it or you can make it brighter. I also like that I'm going to put mine on a timer so that way it turns on when all my other lamps in my home turn on. So it just creates a little nice ambiance in your home. So I think that's it for the rattan or wicker. I have also picked up this little tray. It is silicone. It does have kind of like a marble look for it. I really needed a new tray for my dish soap and my hand soap in my kitchen. I do have a wooden tray, which I think it looks so good, but it keeps leaving stains all over my counter when the wood gets wet. So I wanted to get something that's not going to be doing that and that it's still going to withstand water. So this silicone marble looking tray is a perfect alternative. And because it's silicone, not marble, it was quite affordable, but it looks like a real thing. Next, I picked up these. I've actually tried to play around with them. I'm going to put them together here in front with you guys. So there's a set of two of these. They are the wall scones, wall candle holders. And I really like them and I want to incorporate these in my decor. I am just having a little bit of a hard time figuring out exactly where I want to place them. Do I want to place them behind me on the wall here, on each side of the mirror, or the mirror in the front entryway, or do I put them on the wall kind of hugging the window in my dining room? Or maybe somewhere in my family room. If you have any ideas, I would love to know what your suggestions are, where I should place these. So like I said, I have two of these. And I also picked up one of these rechargeable lighters. I've been wanting to get my hands on one of these and they were like, I think under $3 at TEMU. So I picked up one of those. And I think it's just handy to have something like that you can always have a lighter that works as long as you remember to charge it. And then, as I mentioned before, I am kind of switching. I still buy some decorative pillows, but I really want to get more pillow covers, and I do love to switch out my pillows seasonally. And so TEMU has such a great variety and selections of pillow covers. I have several of them already, and I was very happy when I had found these because, as you know, these are very popular right now, very a lot of high-end stores carry them. They're the fringed ones. They're linen, and I can't wait to use them in my decor. There were a set of 2. They are hand washed once, so hopefully Duke's not gonna slobber all over them and I have to hand wash them often, but I absolutely love them. And then I also picked up for spring. So the first one was more, I can use it for spring and summer, but I guess I could use these for spring and summer as well. I really like the little flower pattern. I like that it's kind of brownish color because the beige and brown color are so popular right now, and I'm so happy because those are my favorite colors. So having having decor that is in style right now that I love is super great. It's extra. And then I also got this one. I wasn't sure about this one when I got it. There is 2 of them as well, but I think this is gonna again be another pillow case that's gonna be great for both spring and summer season. It's got the little flower pattern on them. And the last pillow that I got was this one. I only did get one because I wasn't 100% sure how I was going to use it. So I might order a couple more just because I do love it the way it looks. So I might be purchasing more of them. And for the upcoming Easter, I had to because I just love seasonal pillows. So I picked up this little bunny pillow, these little bunny pillowcases. There's 2 of them again. And now you gotta brace yourself because I have so many florals that I picked up. You know, florals are my thing. I love decorating with them, so I always go a little overboard whenever I'm shopping for florals. So the first ones that I'm sharing are these really delicate stems. They are very sparse but look absolutely beautiful. Again, perfect for summer and spring and summer. And there was 5 of them in here, and I just love the way they look. A lot of people use these to make trees as well, and just using the little leaves off of them. I love the way these look in the vase, and I think they're gonna be great for my decorating. Next up are these, not quite sure what they're called. I will include it down below in case so we know what they're called, but they look so beautiful with the little white flowers, and I just love the way they look. Again, great for spring Easter decor. Then I picked up these I do know that they come in variety of colors. I had picked more of the beigey color just because I already have white ones, so I wanted something a little different. Then I also picked up these, but they're also going to be links to all the products that I'm sharing here. Then we've got these really big ones. You need either a floral vase or a very large vase. I know exactly where I'm going to be placing these. I do have a pretty big vase that they will look great in. And then the last flowers are these. I think these are so beautiful and I absolutely love them. And there were 3 of them in the set. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed these. So I got, like I said, I got lots of florals, 1, 2, 6 different ones, different bunches, lots of new decor to style my home. And I am very excited to get started on decorating for spring. If you have missed my last video, I did a couple updates on my home, or just adding a couple of Valentine's Day touches. Make sure you check that out. So don't forget to check out the code, use the code, check TEMU out if you haven't done so already. All the products are going to be linked down below if there's anything that you are interested in purchasing. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to drop me down a comment, or if you are following along on Instagram, you can shoot me a message. I will help you out in any way that I can. So until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you all so much for watching.